Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. Because you guys asked for it, this video is going to be in English. It is the translation of the Oduifa messages that I started recently on this channel. So because I receive a lot of messages and even from the comment section that you guys who are not Yoruba speakers are worried because the Oduifa videos are in Yoruba language. Please, you need to understand that Ifa messages can be well explained in Yoruba language, but because of you guys who do not understand Yoruba language, so I've taken it upon myself to translate the Oduifa messages that I've been sharing on this platform. So you remember I started with Ejiogbe and I'm still on Ejiogbe. And I told you guys that there's a book that was written in the year 1989 by Agbawo Oloye A. Fashina Agbuola, the Araba of Lagos, of the then Araba of Lagos. So in this video, I have translated the Oduifa into English, and I'll be using a presentation to share with you what this Oduifa says. Remember, I told you that a particular Oduifa can give multiple messages. So among the messages that Oduifa Ejiogbe can give is what I will be talking about in this video. So let's get started. As you can see, Oduifa Ejiogbe. What Ejiogbe says on sexual intercourse and gift of childbearing. So among the messages that you can get from Oduifa Ejiogbe is childbearing, gift of childbearing. So let's get into it properly. Oduifa Ejiogbe. When Ejiogbe appears during an Ifa divination, Ifa says it is a good sign if Ejiogbe appears during an Ifa divination. So as it is said here, when Ejiogbe appears during an Ifa divination, it means that it's a good sign. It's a good sign that Ejiogbe happens to be a very good Oduifa that gives good messages. So this Ifa is saying that it's a good sign if Ejiogbe appears during an Ifa divination. You know what Ifa divination is? Ifa divination is when you go to a Babalawo and Ifa is divined. So whatever is revealed, it could be Ejiogbe or Oyekumeji or and so on and so forth. So in this case, we are talking about Oduifa Ejiogbe. So let's continue. This Oduifa prophesies a gift of a childbearing. A childbearing. So when you go to a Babalawo and Oduifa Ejiogbe comes out, according to this book, it says that there is a gift of childbearing. It means that the person is going to have a child, is going to have a blessing of a child. You know, so this Oduifa prophesies a gift of childbearing. So let's continue. So the person whom this Oduifa appears to is asked to make a sacrifice for the gift of childbearing. So as you know that Ifa is all about sacrifice, offering of sacrifice. Even if there is a blessing coming your way, you need to appease an Orisha, or you need to appease Ifa for that blessing to come to you. So the person whom this Oduifa appears to is asked to make a sacrifice for the gift of childbearing. So for the fact that you are expecting a child, you still need to make sacrifice for you to get that blessing or for you to enjoy the blessing. So let's continue. This is the stanza of this message. So let's go into the stanza of this Oduifa Ejiogbe. That is the reference stanza that talks about this very blessing of child bearing. So let's first of all listen to the original stanza in Yoruba language. So the stanza in Yoruba language. Here we go.
Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ rọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ là á jẹ̀pà ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ là á jẹ ìmúmu ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni wọ́n ń folú èsúnsún sẹ́nu ohun torí nítorí ohun tóòrè tóòrè ni wọ́n ń fún ọba Mákin lóde Ìrànjẹ́ kó lè bá àfohun torí tóòrè tani lọ́rẹ adífá fún Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ níjọ́ tí ń gbógun lọ ẹ̀yìn ìlú Ìwọ́nràn.
So let's translate this stanza. It says, ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ rọ̀rọ̀. Groundnuts are eaten separately. Let me go back. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ rọ̀rọ̀. This cannot be easily translated because according to what this book says, it is the name of the people, or the name of the priest that divined for this client at that time. So I think it's making reference to that. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ rọ̀rọ̀. Groundnuts are eaten separately. So I think you understand that. Groundnuts are eaten separately. Imumu seeds are eaten separately. So this imumu is actually a seed, it's something you can eat. So imumu seeds are eaten separately. Oluesusun is also eaten separately. Whatever is pure, whatever is clean, is given to Orisha Obatala in Ironje town. Is given to Orisha Obatala in Ironje town. I think you understand the stanza. So we are chanting the stanza of this very Odu Ifa that says that there is a blessing of child bearing. So let's continue with the translation of this stanza. In order to be gifted with pure and clean gifts. So let's go back. It says, is given to Orisha Obatala, that is, whatever is clean and whatever is pure, as you all know that Orisha Obatala signifies purity. So it signifies pure white. So it's given, that is, whatever is clean and whatever is pure is given to Orisha Obatala in Ironje town. So Ironje is a town. In order to be gifted with pure and clean gift. This cast Ifa for Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́. This cast Ifa for Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́. So let's continue. You are going to understand what Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ is as we move along. On the day he was about to travel to Ìwọ́nràn town to fight a war. So I want you to take note of Ìwọ́nràn and Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́. So Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́, this cast Ifa for Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́. On the day he was about to travel to Ìwọ́nràn town to fight a war. Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ cast Ifa when he was about to embark on this journey to fight a war in Ìwọ́nràn town. I think I am done with the translation of the stanzas. So let's continue with the explanation of this Odu Ifa. So this Ifa says that Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ summoned Ifa to help him win the war in this town called Ìwọ́nràn. So Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ went to Ifa to cast Ifa to tell Ifa to help him to win a war. To win a war in this town called Ìwọ́nràn town. So Ògo Tẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ embarked on a journey to Ìwọ́nràn. So let's continue. He was told to offer sacrifice. He was told to offer 2 rats, 2 fish, 2 kola nuts, and others. He made the necessary sacrifice. On getting to Ìwọ́nràn town, he came back with a full human. So Ifa mentioned a child as the gift. So as you can understand, Ogotere embarked on a journey to Iworan town to fight a war there. So on getting there, he came back with a full human, which signifies that Ifa mentioned a child as the gift. So what Ifa is talking about here is in parable. Ogotere, who is Ogotere, and where is Iworan town? So you are going to understand as we continue. So let me read that again. He made the necessary sacrifice. On getting to Iworan town, he came back with a full human. So if I mentioned a child as the gift, so I think you are understanding what this full human means. So let us continue. You are going to understand in a moment. So this Oduifa stanza refers to the man's private part as Ogotere and the woman's private part as Eyin Iworan. So Eyin Iworan, it means Ogotere went to Iworan town, and when he got there, he produced a child. So they both produce a child. When both meet, they produce a child. So this Oduifa stanza refers to the man's private part as Ogotere and the woman's private part as Eyin Iworan. So when both meet, they produce a child. I think you understand that perfectly. So you know that Ifa speaks in parable, and that is exactly what is happening here. So when Oduifa Ejogbe appears to you, it means that you are going to have a blessing of child bearing. So guys, this is the first stanza that I started with, in my Yoruba version of what Oduifa Ejogbe says. So this is how I will be giving you guys who do not understand Yoruba language. I will be doing the translation like this for you to understand. The essence of what we are doing is just to know what our Ifa says. And if you want to divine Ifa, you have to go to a Babalawo to do that for you. If you want Ifa to solve your problem, you have to go to a Babalawo to do that for you. What we are doing here is pretty much academia, like we are teaching ourselves our values as Africans, as black race. So we need to have all this information accessible. We need to know that Ifa gives messages as well. So that's exactly what we are doing here. So I will be doing this. I will be giving you the translation of what our Oduifa says. So I do my research, and from my research, I'll be coming out to tell you what Ifa says. Thank you very much, and get a better life.